Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to Castle Provincial Park. Used to be able to random camp there. Well, free random camping, but they've changed it. They turned all the dispersed camping into like paid sites, and they renovated them, put picnic tables, new fire rings. I haven't been there in, I would say 3 years. Since before COVID, we went camping there once or twice, and yeah, it was pretty awesome. We're gonna go see a waterfall. There's a really nice waterfall out there. I'm hoping it's not super busy with people. It generally is. So yeah, I will see you when we get there. Hey everyone. Open up the window a bit. Well, we're here at Castle. I remember, man, this place always used to be busy. Didn't matter when you came, there was always people camping here. I don't know what it's like when you go down Links Creek Road to the backside of it. But from what I can see now, it does not look like it's super busy. We're gonna go check out a waterfall. This place is usually pretty busy, but the last time I came here, it was closed for the winter. So yeah, we're gonna go check out the waterfall. It's pretty nice. Usually a lot of people swimming in it. It's cold. A glacier fed waterfall. Makes me wanna kind of like Jack Nicholson off of The Shining. All right, I'm gonna continue driving and I'll see you when we get to the waterfall. Hey everyone, I'm here at Castle Falls. Doesn't look like it's super busy. The cool thing about this place, they're probably not even close to being ready yet. These plants right here, they're all Saskatoon bushes. You literally can come here when they're ready, if they haven't been picked over by the birds and stuff, and pick like buckets full of Saskatoons. It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty alright. Let's see how this is. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of people here today. There's 2 cars, so they might be elsewhere. I don't know. We're gonna soon find out. Ooh, it's definitely going. Totally going. Sorry everyone, I'm back. There's some girls down there sunbathing. I didn't want to look like a flipping creeper. I don't think they really appreciate me videoing when they're in their bikinis, so I turned it off. So I think we're gonna head out. I still have about a 20-minute drive to the campsite I'm gonna stay at, and I will see you there. Hey everyone, I made it to the campsite, paid my campsite fee, I'm all registered, 15 bucks. It's cheap, and this is what I get. It's pretty awesome. But anyways, I need to set up my camp, and I will see you in a bit. All right, campsite's all set up. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a tour. Got my camp. Thought these trees were gonna shade my tent, but not really. Got a picnic table happening here. Fire pit that I can't use because, you know, fire bans in Alberta. I would imagine they're probably going to be for the rest of the summer because we're still burning down. Actually, all of Canada's burning down now. So yeah, it's kind of a bummer, but hey, I still love camping. Campfires aren't exactly why I come out here. I just love the peace and quiet, the mountains. I can hear a stream in the background, stuff like that. Yeah, like this is great. Don't like the insects too much, but whatever. lots of horse flies out here right now, and black flies. So you have to watch those suckers. I already got bit by one today. So when I was at Castle, but that's it. I'm just gonna hang out, and I'll probably see back here for, you know, I'll see you then. Whoops, excuse me. I'll see you then. Hey everyone, guess what time it is? Yeah, baby, it's beer 30. I picked this up at the Tipple craft beer in Fernie the last time I went out to BC. It's called Moody Ales & Co. Strawberry Dream Ale. Fruit ale brewed with strawberries hibiscus. We'll see how good this is. I hope I'm excited, but honestly, hopefully it is good. Brewed in Port Moody. Yeah. Does not have the it's 5.3. It's nothing major. Let's see. That's actually really good. Has a little sour to it. You taste a little bit of hibiscus. And yeah, it's actually pretty darn good. I'd buy this again for sure. I've just been hanging out. I got my thermostat happening. The mosquitoes are a little out of control. So I figured I'd show you some of the stuff that I come out with that are kind of my staple. This thermostat is pretty awesome. It uses, I've had this bottle, I'm gonna say this might be my second or third camping season with this bottle. It does not use much. This is the backpacking version, but honestly I think it works better. I have two other ones in here if I want to sit away from everything. Let's see. I need to change that. Yeah. Some people like the thermostats. I basically live by them. I find they work awesome. They're my favorite. Some people say they don't work. I think they're wrong. But that's just my opinion. I notice a big difference. It doesn't stop all of them, okay? It stops the vast majority. Yeah, there we go. Started. And I'll just throw that in there because I don't have a garbage bag happening. I also have these two different ones. This one, I think one of these is not working. I don't know which one. I think it's the gray one. But these things work good too. You just, if you have the clip on it, you just clip it wherever you're sitting and it stops them. It's great. That's one of my things that I bring with me in the summer. Bear spray. I got this at Cabela's. It's kind of beat up. What's the expiry date on it? I think it's expired in 2025. They're usually good for quite a few years. Yeah, I'm 100% sure this expires. Yeah, actually 2024. Yeah. So I think this was $60 at Cabela's. You know what? It's the best $60 you'll ever buy or ever have. Or I should say ever spend on something, especially when you're out where I'm at. I'm kind of in bear country. And you never know. I've had a bear in this area roll right into my campsite. Like, this is before I started doing YouTube. This is quite a few years ago. I'm going to say probably pretty close to 3 years ago now. It was just before I started doing the YouTube videos. Yeah, bear rolled right into my campsite. I didn't have my bear spray on me. No, nothing. And yeah, I just decided to tossed a table, like, right across the campsite, and it scared him away. I was just glad he wasn't full grown. He was like a couple years old, had the really long legs and stuff. But yeah, that's one, two, and this. I have this. I have it linked up to my tablet. I have a magnet on my dash. Whoops. Oh, come on. There we go. And then I have, it's called Earthmate on my my tablet. I can send my girlfriend messages. I can map where I'm going. I'll do a better picture of this so you can see. And I can send messages. I can pin drop my location, where I'm camping and stuff. Yeah, it works pretty good. And then my girlfriend could get a hold of me, or I could get a hold of my girlfriend if anything happens. So yeah, these are my three major things. So other than that, I've been pretty much just hanging out at the campsite. It's hot. It's starting to get cloudy, which is kind of nice, which is dropping the temperature a little bit. But yeah, having my beer, just chilling out. I don't know what I'm gonna do for supper tonight. I honestly don't know. I'm not hungry. I'm way over hot, so I'll figure something out. Maybe. I don't like summer because I always struggle with eating in the summertime. I just get too hot. I never feel really super hungry, so it kind of blows. But that's just the way it is. But yeah, I'm gonna hang out. And I might just see you later on tonight in my tent. I'm actually quite enjoying just kind of hanging out. Oh yeah. All right, everyone. The insects are a little out of control. So I am in here flipping hiding. Sun's starting to go down. It's probably gonna be dark in the next hour and a half. I'm done. I just want to lay down and watch a movie. Pretty sure I'm gonna make a coffee in the morning while I pack up everything. And I will see you then. Morning, everyone. It was a good night. Got woken up at about, I'm gonna say 3:40 in the morning, and it was pouring rain. Pouring. It was so loud, and then I just went back to sleep. But other than that, it was a good night. It is a flippin' beautiful morning, and yeah, it's gonna be great. Just making a coffee, and then I need to put away my tent, and I will see you in the back of the truck when I'm done making my coffee. Ooh! I'm back, everyone. I seem to amaze myself. I usually can have the tent packed up before the water is boiled, so that's pretty good. I can usually get out of here pretty quick, so it'll be all right. So, oh, I need keys. Keys are... Oh, one sec. Forgot some stuff in the back. And forgot to turn off my exterior light I use for just in case I need to go get up in the morning and go to the bathroom. All right, let's get out of here without taking out a rock or two. Big rock. All right, I'm gonna close it out here, everyone. Thanks for coming. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, comment. It'd be awesome. And if you want to see any more, they're right here. See you on the next one.